War veterans leader Blessed Geza's broadcast message about generals for sale on Friday last week was informed by widening divisions which have now emerged within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces over President Emmerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his term beyond the 2028 to 2030. Sanamida mashoko onekwa kunzi Geza's address panguva ino yokonzeresa kuti ku-ZDF pamwe top leadership the ruling party ZANU-PF kuene chaos. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Even on the news works on GT. Geza is campaigning for Mnangagwa to go, saying he is corrupt, incompetent, and he has dismally failed. Some army commanders have taken a firm stand to the hilt with Mnangagwa, who is seeking stay on in power until 2030 or beyond, while also trying to influence who his successor should be. Mnangagwa does not want Vice President Kosano Chiwenga or Okembo Mohad to succeed him. For instance, Mnangagwa has firm support of ZDF Commander General Philip Valerio Spanda, his millions homeboy, and some claim a relative within their broad Sivanda/Shumba clan. Mnangagwa, some of whose relatives are Sivandas, recently removed Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, as he did not support him amid fears he might be ousted in a push like his predecessor, the late former President Robert Mugabe. Mnangagwa was Mugabe's protege, but he toppled him after he had been fired as vice president in November 2017. Sanyatwe was replaced by Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu, a Sivanda close friend. Both Sivanda and Matatu, who are former Zipra commanders, are from Gokwe in Mnangagwa's home region, Midlands Province. However, Chiwenga, who commanded the ZDF for 14 years, having been in the army since 1980, has deep roots and connections in the military, giving him serious leverage over to shape and determine his own political destiny. Senior army chiefs loyal to Chiwenga, including Sanyatwe, who is now sports minister, are against Mnangagwa's possible third term, citing constitutional limits and their own candidates' aspirations for power and access to public resources. Thomas Kwaruda panapa aiwa varuka vachitsanangura zviri kuitika panguva ino awa, especially in the ruling party ZANU-PF anoku military kunokwanzi military ndo inoshepa especially succession yenyika. Kunokwanzi vipi Kosano Chiwenga anoonekwa kunzi kubva 1980 anga ari mumauto and for 14 years akanga ari general, ari army commander. Panguva ine kunonzi ari malinks nemaconnections akasimba zvokuti akada kunzi aita something he can achieve. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitupi chimira comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn the bell icon.